Okay, the next thing I'm going to draw is a branch. Essentially it's a building, but most branches look similar. So we'll start with the rectangle. And put a rectangle on top. So always sort of a spot for an ATM. So remembering what we did last time, you can sort of rough in the way that looks. And then a lot of the time it's glass, the rest of it, so I just maybe the door is the way. If I do that, that's the wrong size for the ATM, so sort of do something like this. Again, scale may be an issue, but it doesn't really matter. You're just trying to depict what it is. Then I'll just put a title on the top here. And you can play with doing other things like you might not have the bank title across the top, though it works really well. Sort of like how I simplify stores and stuff. You could take it off there. Maybe it's just I'm making up a logo here. There you go, and then over the door you have the bank. But these are very simple diagrams just to be able to quickly draw something. And then you can have people interacting with it and everything. So I'll leave a couple of spaces there just to give this one a go. And then that's how I draw a branch.